Hello everyone, this is Shanti Shirsat from Information Technology Department. In this session, we start our chapter number 5, that is IP addressing. Learning outcomes: addressing, that is physical address, logical address and port address. Then IP address, its concepts, notations and address space. IP addressing is the method that is used to identify the host or network device uniquely. It is a number of hosts, that is large number of hosts are connected to the internet, and it number is grows continuously, and that's why IP addressing scheme has been updated over time to copy this growth. IP address is a 32-bit unique address or number which is assigned to every device which is added into or connected to the computer network. The devices like computers, your smartphones, your tablets, which use this unique ID, that is IP address, to uniquely identify that device in the network and to communicate with other devices. Addressing, that is physical address, logical address and port address. Internet, in order to provide universal communication services, which must follow the uniform addressing mechanism, which identifies the machines in the network. Addresses or identifiers that recognize the host computers, which are referred to as a host identifiers, the class of which are names, addresses and routes. One is a physical address. It is the lowest level of addressing, also known as MAC address or link address. It is located to the network to which the device is connected and unique inside it. Means it is local to that particular network to which the device is connected and which is used to uniquely identify the device. It is a 6 byte, that is 48-bit address in size and is printed on the network interface card of the devices, which is inbuilt chip in your motherboard. Next topic is a logical address. It is the IP address or internet protocol address. At the network layer, the devices, that is computer and the router, are identified uniquely by their IP addresses. It is a unique, and currently there are two versions of IP address are available. One is IPv4. Here the IP address is of 32 bits, and in IPv6 the IP address is of 128 bit. Next address is a port address. A logical address facilitates the transmission of data from one source network to another source, that is destination device. But the source and destination both may be having multiple processes communicating with each other. The port address is a name or label given to the process. For example, it is a 16-bit address. For example, for Telnet uses the port address 23. The HTTP uses the port address 80. The SMTP uses the port address 25. For FTP server and client uses the port number 20 and 21, etc. Next one is a special address. Port address facilitates the transmission of data from one process to another process, but still there may be a problem with data delivery. There is a need of addressing that helps identify different instances of the same process. Such addresses are user-friendly addresses and called the specific address. For example, multiple tabs or windows of a web browser work under the same process, that is HTTP, means that port address is 80, but are defined or identified using the special address, that is URL. For example, gmail.com, google.com, facebook.com, all these are special addresses because they work with the help of URL, that is uniform resource locator, and all these are work on port address, that is HTTP port address 80. Next, IP address, that is concept, notation and address space. IP address, that is logical address, and it is uniquely identify the device on the IP network. It is a 32-bit IPv4 version. It is a 32-bit number which is uniquely identifies the device in network. IP addresses are typically written in decimal format or digits format, that is as 4 8-bit fields separated by dots. Each 8-bit field represents the byte of the IP address, because all of you know about 8-bit means 1 byte and the IP address is 4 bytes, means 8-bit, 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 total 32 bits, that is 4 bytes. It can be represented in decimal format, binary format and hexadecimal format. The bytes of an IP address is divided into two parts. One is a network part and another one is a host part. See here, the IP address which is represented in dotted decimal format. Decimal means digits, that is 192.168.1.100. Out of these last 16 bytes, that is 1.100, that is 16 bytes, 8 bytes, 8 bytes, 8 bytes, 8 bytes, 8 bytes, then dot, 8 bytes, then dot, sorry, not 8 bytes, 8 bits, 8 bit, 8 bit, 8 bit, 8 bits, total 32 bit. Last 16 bits, that is 2 bytes, host port, and first 16 bits, that is 2 bytes, network port. What is meant by network port? This part specifies the unique number which is assigned to the particular network, means which is used to identify the network. It is also the part that identifies the class of the network assigned. In above example, the network part takes up to the 2 bytes of the IP address, that is 192.168. Then host part. This is the part of the IP address that is used to identify each host, each computer or each device in that particular network, and it uniquely identifies each host on your network. Note that each host on your network, in particular network, each host on your network, the network part of the address will be the same. Network part remains same, but host part must be different. For example, IF3I, this is a network. Roll number 1, roll number 2, roll number 3, this is the host part. Network, within a network, in same network part remains same, but host part must be changed or must be different. Okay. Next, check here the notations of IP address, that is binary notation, dotted decimal notation and hexadecimal. Means here IP address is 128.11.3.31. Here we converted this dotted decimal into the binary form and also in hexadecimal form. You know about the conversion, right? We already learned all this concept in digital technique. How to convert the binary to decimal, decimal to binary, then how to convert it into the hexadecimal. Okay. Next is a binary notation, that is having the base 2. Base 2 binary notation is in the form that systems on the network used to process the address in binary notation. In IPv4, the address is 32 bits. Okay, the binary notation for 128.11.3.31 is here. Next is a hexadecimal notation where base is 16. We sometimes see an IP address in hexadecimal notation. Each hexadecimal digit is equivalent to 4 bits. This means that 32-bit address has 8 hexadecimal digits. Okay, check here. this first 8 bits from left hand side 0, 111, 0, 1, 0, 1. Now consider the first 4 bits, that is 0, 1, 1, 1, means 1, 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7, right? No, 2 raised to 0, 1, 2 raised to 1, 2, 2 raised to 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Why here is a 8? No, sorry, this is another one example. This one is, consider this one. Binary 1 and all zeros. Check here in notation, binary all zeros, that is left hand side 1 and remaining are zeros. That separated it into the 4 bits. Then 0, 0, 0 and 1, that is 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3 is a 8 and remaining 4 are zeros, so 8, 0. Then consider it 11. 11's binary is 4, 0, 1, 0, that is 4 times 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now divided it into the 2 parts, that is 4, 4. All zeros, that's why here is 0, and then 1, 0, 1, 1. That is 2 raised to 0 is 1. 2 raised to 1 is 2, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. 11 means 9, 11 means 8, 2 raised to, start from 10, 11, right, 10A, 11B, so 0B. Okay, that is conversion of binary to hexadecimal. Okay. Next is a dotted decimal notation. Dotted decimal notation. Base 256 to make the IPv4 addresses more compact and easier to read, which is very easy to read for user. Internet addresses are usually written in decimal point separating by the dots. Okay, that is byte are divided into the 4 parts. This is dotted decimal. 192.168.1.100. Dot is missing here. Okay, next one is a address space. Next concept is a address space. A protocol like IPv4 that defines the addresses has an address space. An address space is the total number of addresses used by the protocol. If protocol uses n bits to define an address, the address space is 2 raised to n because each bit can have 2 different values, that is 0 or 1, and n bits can have 2 raised to n values. IPv4 uses 32-bit address, which means that the address space is 2, that is 2 raised to n, okay, or more than 4 million. Thank you guys. Remaining part regarding IP address we will discuss in next session.